with us Professor Wally Olinsem. Wally, you said something about creative tension. It's strictly to Polish, or this creative tension is to the other entrepreneurs
The issue
too?
around creative tension is that what we were looking for is an idea that sums up the brand of Poland. If you're talking about a country, you're talking about Britain or Germany or France, you have an idea of that country. So if I say passion, for example, it seems maybe Spanish. Or if you talk about style, that represents in a sense what France is. Or efficiency represents in a sense what Germany is. Now, if you are going to project an idea of who you are, of course we know that 90% of people, for 90% you and me are the same, but 10% is different. And in a country, everybody says we're warm, we're welcoming, we're this, that. True. Nevertheless, at a level of differentiation, you have to find something that is true, that is unique, that people recognize as being part of what they are. So if you're looking in the case of Poland, where the clarity of the idea is not so strong, because it's not a great legacy nation. It's relatively speaking new, and in the West it's not so very well known. So you look for an idea that is unique, that is true, that represents the country. That is what creative tension is about. It is not a slogan, it is not a motto, it is not something you write all over the place. It is an idea that people recognize to be what Poland in a sense is about. So if you're talking about a nation and the idea behind a nation, if you want to sum it up, then you can use a phrase like that. That is what it's about. And that will enable people, whoever they are, if they're focusing on selling the idea of Poland, whether they're in tourism or whether they're in investment or whether they're exporting brands, it gives them a kind of quality which differentiates the product and the country. That is what it is about.